Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my third update related to my game. So the past week I didn't get to develop much of the game as I was out on a vacation. But I did take out my hat as a game programmer. But I did don a hat as a game designer. So it was inevitable that this phase had to come. I'm more comfortable working as a programmer, but I had to start taking a serious look at designing my game and having a firm decision of what the game needs to be. So what is the first step that I took as a game designer? So I had to create this document called a game design document, short form for GDD. So what's a GDD? So GDD is basically like a north star for the game. It's basically the concept of the game compressed into a single page. So how did I go about designing my GDD? So I had to look online and also read some books related to game design and on how to develop a GDD. So these are some of the things which I included in my GDD. So they are: title. It's basically like a working title for your game, which will be used throughout the production process. Game platform. What type of game, like what platform will my game be at? Is it PC? Is it PlayStation? Is it Xbox? Or is it mobile? The third one would be game summary. It's like a, it's like a brief summary of the game. It needs to have a beginning, a middle, and an end. So we need to keep it short and sweet, as it's like a one pager, right? The fourth one would be game outline. So what's a game outline? We don't need to go into great detail of the how the game needs to be, but we need to give an indication of how the gameplay is, and we need to give indication of the player objectives and gameplay elements in the game. That is basically what a game outline is. The fifth one is USP, short form for unique selling point. So what makes my game stand out from other games? What are the highlight and cool unique features in my game? I needed to list out 5 to 7 USPs for my game, and it was really difficult to come up with USP, as it's pretty dense, right? Like you need to know, it's an evolving process. It's not like it's like not like an inspiration which just comes up and you write it down. It's evolving, and I'm still not sure of what the USP is for my game, but I have a brief outline of it. And the last one would be similar competitive products. This what the products are in the game right now, which games are successful and which games sold well recently. So, and these are like we need to play these games and understand them, and then I need to develop my game based on these products. So what did I learn from developing my GDD? So I basically got an idea of an elevator pitch. What's an elevator pitch? It's basically like when you meet someone in the elevator, you start pitching your game to the person. So my elevator pitch is, my game is basically a beat 'em up game with a puzzle platformer genre. Think of it like Sifu and Homebody had a baby, and that's my game. So I'll run away with this for now, but this will be an evolving process. So let's see how it goes. I'm excited for developing the game, and as I have a north star right now, and it feels good to write whatever's in my mind on a piece of paper, and getting those ideas and building on them is an exciting and nervous journey. So I'm excited for what's coming up. And if you want to keep track of my journey, and if you want to know how I end up making the game, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Be proactive.